If your brain feels busy all the time, it's not because you can't handle life. It's because you're carrying too many unfinished decisions and no one ever gave you a place to put them. Women do a lot of thinking quietly. We rehearse conversations before we have them. We pre decide before we go to appointments. We run scenarios in our head just in case they happen, not because we're anxious, or maybe sometimes we are, but it's more because we like to walk in prepared. And we usually call this being the responsible one. I know you feel that. Or thoughtful or easygoing. But the truth is, it's a lot of thinking to hold alone. So here are 10 things that women are already thinking through constantly that don't actually need to live in your head. Deciding what you want before someone asks you. Practicing what you're going to say so you don't freeze. Trying to name a feeling for yourself or someone else that doesn't have a clean word, turning a spiral into a short to-do list, thinking something through before texting it to your friend, replaying a conversation over and over in your head to see if you said what you really meant, preparing for any type of appointment, hair, health, beauty, trying to sound confident when you're still actually in decision mode. Spotting red flags without wanting to seem difficult. Thinking about and holding a decision in your head all day because it doesn't feel finalized yet. None of this is wrong, but here's a shift that changed things for me. Those thoughts don't need to disappear. They just need somewhere to land. That's how I use AI as a second brain where decisions can rest before they're ready. So here's the takeaway. The next time your brain feels busy, don't try to decide. Just offload the thinking somewhere safe before you're asked to feel confident. Clarity comes after the thinking is out. If this way of thinking feels grounded to you, you probably like to walk in prepared, like me. Subscribe if you want more real life ways that women can bring in AI to work as a second brain and carry that thinking. So decisions don't have to live in your head all day, every day.